evening, parents. Today is Tuesday, September 24th. I'm Andres Garcia-Ruiz with my co-anchor,
Sydney Downey.
And these are your open house announcements.
TVP wants to thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to attend Miami Palmetto Senior High's open house 2019-2020 school year. Before we give the stage to Superintendent Carvalho, we have a few reminders.
The PSAT is scheduled for Wednesday, October 16th, and all 10th grade students will be automatically scheduled for this exam. 11th graders can register on a first-come, first-served basis starting October 2nd through the 11th. 9th graders can register starting October 7th through October 11th. The fee is $17 payable online through your student portal. Select App Services and locate the OSP online student payment link.
The annual college fair sponsored by PTSA is on Monday, October 7th at 6:30 in the gym.
Financial aid night for senior parents is October 21st at 6:30 through 8:30 p.m. in the auditorium.
Anybody that missed Picture Day, the makeup day will be October 21st during their lunch.
Now enjoy a brief message from Superintendent Carvalho and have a fun night filling your child's shoes.
Good evening and welcome to Miami-Dade County Public Schools 2019-2020 Open House. And congratulations, because parental involvement is one of the most powerful factors in student achievement. Tonight, you'll meet and interact with your child's principal, teachers, and counselors, all of whom play important roles in your child's education. Miami-Dade County Public Schools is once again an A-rated school district. Our graduation rate is almost 90%. And for the third year in a row, there are no F-rated schools in Miami-Dade. We continue to accelerate excellence through exciting academic programs and innovative choice options. The school board has invested heavily in school safety, and all schools can again count on having a resource or safety officer assigned to them. The state has taken an active role in maintaining safety with Fortify FL, a suspicious activity reporting tool that allows users to instantly relay critical information to law enforcement agencies and school officials while remaining anonymous. Make sure you download the Dade Schools mobile app, where you can access Fortify FL and other important resources, including emergency notifications, class and bus schedules, grades, and much more. And recognizing that mental wellness matters, our Department of Mental Health Services continues expanding to coordinate and facilitate services for students who need them. An exciting year of learning lies ahead. On behalf of the school board and the faculty and staff at your child's school, thank you for joining us this evening, and best wishes for a successful school year.